Hey, I'm Max, and I've got questions, like, why do we yawn? You know, that slow motion, mouth wide open face stretch? Like this? Yawn! We yawn when we're tired, but also when we're bored, or even just see someone else yawning. It's totally contagious. So weird, and kinda cool. Some people think yawning cools down your brain, like getting it a quick aircon blast. Others say it's your body's way of going, hey, wake up, focus. And guess what? Animals yawn too. Lions, dogs, even fish. Maybe they're sleepy, or just showing off their giant teeth. Here's a fun fact. Babies yawn before they're even born. Yup, inside the belly. That's wild, right? So why do we yawn? Nobody knows for sure. But one thing's clear. Once someone starts, you can't stop yourself. Yawn! Told ya! That's all for today. But the wondering never ends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.